For the first self-care therapy would be constipation. So every one of us experience constipation, and at times we encounter 2 or 3 days of not passing the motion, and it's very uncomfortable, particularly for ladies, especially during the PMS, during month end. You find that you have water retention, and this is where you have to address the issue. Otherwise you will not feel very comfortable carrying your everyday activities. So the pressure points that we'll be focusing on would be the first pressure point, which is your center part. Okay, so the center part of your abdomen, this is where the Zhongwan is. So the Zhongwan is actually right over at your solar plexus. So it's actually right at our gastrointestine area. So this is one of the pressure point. The second pressure point is Tian Su. So from the belly button, you put 2 fingers just away, right and left side of your belly button. So this is exactly your pressure point. Alright, so the third one will be your Guan Yuan. So from the belly button, you put about like 3 or 4 fingers. It's just right over at your lower transverse abdominal area. So let's go right into your pressure point release. So you need your therapy ball and you need the yoga blocks. So let's come down into your prone position here. So place your therapy ball. If you don't have a therapy ball like this, just get 2 tennis balls, put into a socks, and you get a peanut ball like this. So place it right over at the center of your Zhongwan. Alright? So as you're placing down, hold there, take the yoga block and rest into your yoga block. So breathe into your postures. Inhale to expand and just observe and experience the energy flow right through to your abdomen. And just feel that there's a lot of sensation, a nice release from your gastrointestine, pulses of energy into your main abdomen area. Now once you're done, you can rest your elbow underneath your shoulders. Alright, so you can clench your fists or interlock your fingers like this. Let's start to roll. So tuck your toes under, lift out your hips, and do a gentle massage from your solar plexus, which is your gastrointestine, all the way down into your belly button, or just slightly above your belly button. So roll until you find that there's a sense of relief. This is very good for weight loss also. The more you roll, the more it helps to release your fascia tissue around this area. 3, 2, 1, and gently release it. Okay, so the next pressure point would be at your Tian Su. So basically all you need to do is just place it at your belly button. Okay, so gently place it over your belly button and then just gently rest your forehead onto the block again and relax. So in here to purposely expand your abdomen. You want to feel a nice pulses, lots of energy over at your belly button, very close to your lower colon. Each exhalation, just try and relax there. Now once you're ready, elbow underneath your shoulders, and then interlock your finger, tuck your toes, leave out your knees, and gently just massage it. So the more you massage into your lower part of the abdomen towards your belt line, you're going to feel that later when you do the stretch. You're able to just work deeper into the stretch and more flexible into the abdomen region. Okay, now once you're done, and then gently relax there. The third point, shift the tennis ball or the therapy ball right over at your lower abdomen here. So this is your Guan Yuan, alright? So press it there and relax. Now this is the pressure point that is very good for water retention.
And especially for ladies, this is the area where your uterus, your wombs, your pelvic floor is. So the more you put and relax into this area, the more you're going to feel that you don't get stomach cramp, you don't get lower abdomen cramp during your PMS. And this is also helping you in your digestion, especially constipation. So this is the last part where the intestines, the large intestines is pushing the motion out from the pelvic floor, yeah? Okay, and then gently come out. So interlock your finger and just massage it into the lower abdomen. So lower abdomen all the way into your pelvic floor. And you find that the more you massage into this area, the more it really acts out, and relax and helps aids your digestion, constipation, and gently release it. Exercises for your abdomen, very easy. Okay, so hold into your ankles, flex the toe. So reach your chest out, just feel a nice release into your abdomen. Okay, that's number 1. Hold there for 3 or 4 breaths. Once you're done, release it. Palms underneath your shoulders. Inhale to lift your chest up into a nice cobra position. Now breathe, creating that deep breath so that you're going to feel your diaphragm is moving down each time when you inhale. Just feel a stretch on your stomach region. Just feel your belly has been stretched right from your chest down into your belly button. And exhale, slowly release it down. And then gently push your body up and rest into your child pose. Now once you're done, slowly you're going to come back and roll it over to the other side. And then as you lie down on the back, you are able to do a lot of abdominal exercises. You can rest your head on the block, right, so that your neck is in level with the shoulders. We're going to start off with wind relieving. So straighten up both legs. Reach out your both hands. And let's take a deep breath in here. And as you exhale, pull your left knees to your chest. Flex the toe. Inhale to reach your hands up. Exhale on your right leg in. Inhale to draw your both arms up. And exhale. So you're going to work these 2 more sets. Exhale. So think of squeezing and pressing your thighs, reaching it, massaging it into the deep abdominal muscles, yeah? And on the last one, and pull your right knees in. Nice. And then gently release it. Now place your palms by the side. Bend your both legs. On the next exhalation, you're going to lift out your head and shoulders. So breathing in and exhale, reaching up from here. Okay, now gently you want to just slowly pull your abdomen in. Okay, and then stay with your hands reaching as far as you can. And then just contract into your abdomen. Do a simple pauses. Shh, 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 shh. And then gently release it down. Okay, so on the next exhalation, you're going to do a little bit on your oblique muscle. So hands over the back, left leg up, straighten your right leg in here. Exhale, cross it over, come back and relax. Right leg up and exhale, cross over, come back and relax. Okay, ready? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Exhale to cross over. This is for your obliques and down. Last one in here. Exhale, cross over. Now you may want to just work into some intensiveness. You can just cross without dropping your head down. So work this for a few more reps just to really warm up your abdomen. Yes, the more you work on this one, the more it strengthens your abs, the more it reduces the fat tissue around the abs area. 2, 1, and then gently release it down. Now from here, I would like to just do some spinal twist. So as you work on the spinal twist, it literally helps to really wrap the spine, and the abdomen around the spine and really stretch into that oblique muscles, So just drop your knees side to side, left to right, right to left. So this is a very nice soothing exercise. Each time when you feel that, you have a bloated stomach, when you have indigestion. So twist actually helps a lot in eliminating the toxin out from the body, helps to digest your digestive tract. 2 more times. Yes, and on the last one. And gently release it. So slowly come up from the side. And then sit up from here. We're going to do your spinal rotation, So in here, exhale, gently just do a simple spinal rotation. Yes, and then it helps to really organize and work into your coordination of your spine. At the same time, you're going to feel that you want to work and just generate a lot of movements into the abdominal organs. So 2 more times. And on the last one. Yes, and release it. So next we're moving into your obliques. So a simple stretch by lifting up your arms and then square your shoulder, reaching it. Yes, so this is a nice oblique extension. So in here, left hands up, lean into your right side. Now start to square your shoulders so that you can feel a nice oblique twist for the abdomen. And slowly come up in here. Exhale down, right arms up towards the left. Square your shoulders and come back and release. Last one, towards your right. And now square your shoulder and face the front and come back. Wonderful, right? So that will be the pressure release and also self-care therapy for your constipation. Okay, so the next self-care therapy would be your middle and upper back pain. So your middle and upper back pain is naturally affect your postures and affect your breathing, and especially at your chest and middle back area, and it also affect the opening, rotation, functional of your shoulder blades. So before we proceed to move into your middle and upper back release, I will just introduce to you the props that you need. You will need a yoga block and then a therapy ball. This is for your back. Right now, before we start, we're just going to massage a few pressure points, which will help you to release the entire arm. So first pressure points would be your He Gu Xue. So it's snapped just right in between your number 7, just right in the center. So think of using your thumb, okay, press on it and then gently just massage it. So as you're massaging it, you're going to feel that, there's a sense of relief from your arms to your nerves to your elbow all the way up to your shoulders. So you know that the shoulders and your arms are all related to your back, and then you change it over to the other side. So, and this He Gu Xue also helps in your fatigueness. Usually for your middle back and your chest tightness, it always links into your fatigueness. Okay, so this will help you to release your fatigue. And then another pressure point would be the center of your palm. So this is your Lao Gong Xue. So gently just press on it. So as you're pressing on it, sometimes I do this. I use the therapy ball to press on it. So use my palm and then press into the therapy ball and then just massage on it. So this is one of options that you can use. Another one, you can use your thumb, assuming if you don't have the therapy ball, you can use your thumb to massage on it. And then you change it over to the other side. Okay, so the third point would be your Qi Ci.
So this is where the elbow is. So just right in between the line of the elbow. So as you place your palms up, you'll be able to see the pressure point here. So gently press on it and then just massage it. Yeah, so you'll find that the moment you massage, it sends a huge sensation on your humerus bone in your arms, especially on your lower arms. Yeah, so and this is like interchange between your upper arms and your lower arms energy. Okay, so from here we're going to introduce your back pressure points. Yeah, so let's turn to the back, and then you'll be able to see there are two pressure points. One will be just right in between your scapular wings. So this is your Xing Su Xue. So another one would be when you give a good hug, you find your fingers will land at the tip corner of your scapular wings. Yeah. So you'll feel that there's a scapular bones at the tip corner. So this is your Jian Zhen Xue. So these are the 2 points, 1 and 2. Yeah, so let's use the therapy ball. Okay, so lie down on your back. So as you lie down on your back, you position the therapy ball at your middle back. So exactly where your Xing Su Xue is. So just gently lie down, buttock relax, legs relax, arms relax. Hold here for a little while. And then you want to have that nice pressure point release. So next you can just rock left to right, a gentle roll side to side, just like you are using your hands. Imagine you're using your thumb to massage it. Okay, so this is a very tremendous release because the middle back is related to your heart center and your chest. You find that the moment you release your middle back, you tend to breathe much better. Yeah, so then we start to roll. Yeah, so bend your legs, interlock your finger to support your head. Yeah, so with the elbow open up, a gentle lift on your buttock, and then gently massage very slowly. Roll it from the middle back all the way to your upper back. It's very soothing because it helps to really release your rhomboid muscles, the muscles at your middle back, which is your middle trapezius, and then your scapular wings. Yeah. So, and at the same time, you are also releasing the trigger point, the pressure point at your middle back. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then gently release it. So next would be your Jian Zhen Xue. So over here, extend my body to one side. So this is where I'm going to insert, okay, my therapy ball from the side. So I'm going to rest from the side. So I can use a yoga block to help me so that I can rest when I'm here. Okay, so you can just keep your both legs together and rock and massage left to right, right to left. Okay, now once you're done, you can do the other side. So let's change it quickly over to the other side. So from the back, you'll be able to see that I position the ball down and then place over at your tip end of your scapular wings. Positions your both legs together and just massage it side to side. Okay, it's very soothing and very released. It's just connect right next to your arms, the nerves at your arms, energy, nadis at your arms area. And once you're done, come out into your kneeling position and sit up straight. So next we'll be proceeding into your exercises. Yeah. So exercises that's related to your middle back would be your cat stretch. So from here, come down into your all four. Spread your palms out. Inhale to look up. Exhale to round your back. So think of really pushing your middle back up, especially your scapular wing, and inhale to look up. Exhale. Last one. And exhale. Nice. So since we're still on the prone positions, let's remain by resting down into your prone position. So you're going to reach up your arms. So you're going to just go into the center and then gently just keep your head down
And then let's go into a gentle swimming. So as you're lifting up your arms, you're going to feel that there's a nice middle back extension. Okay, and then fold your elbow in this manner. Bring one of the palms behind your head and do a gentle shoulder opening. Inhale to open up, exhale to release. So this creates some strength because a strengthening exercise will help you to open up your upper body, correct your postures. Okay, let's change it over to the other side. Open up to the side. That gives you a very nice middle back opening. Alright, then once you're done, relax, hold into the ankles. As a nice flexing your toe into your bow pose. So squeeze your shoulder blades together and extend your legs out to the back. You don't have to go too high, just remain here. Now once you're done, come up, rest into your child pose. Then come back into your sitting position. Then we can move into your twist. So release your hands, stretch up your right arms, turn and twist into your opposite side. So face your own right side. And come back. So change it, left hands up and twist. Look into your left. So it works exactly into your middle back and exactly into your pressure point. And gently come back. I'm going to do a little bit of a side stretch, reaching it out all the way into the side. And gently come back on the last one, into the side. And gently come back. So on the last one, you can also rest into a passive stretch. So by elevating your upper back into the block. Yeah, so you can just rest into this position, right into the middle back. Position it just over into your middle back and then stand by another block with you. So as you rest down, you find that if your head is not able to reach the floor, right, you can just have yoga blocks to support your head and then just find a very comfort position, spread your arms out. So this will give you a nice chest opening all the way into your middle back. So stay here for like 3 or 4 seconds. 1 minute is okay also. Close your eyes and relax. Right, so thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the self-care therapy and have a good day ahead. I'll see you again next time. Bye.